Hello everyone, welcome to TechTechnicalities. I'm Anna McClure, and today I'm going to be showing you how to access the metadata on your pictures, how to access the metadata on other people's pictures, and more importantly, how to turn off said metadata from being stored on your phone. So starting off, just selecting a photo. Here's one that I took on my phone earlier today. If you go over to Finder, hit File, Get Info, it pulls up all of this information that's stored on this picture. It'll tell you what kind of phone it was taken on, it will tell you the dimensions of the picture, all of these things, and depending on the settings on your phone, it might tell you the GPS coordinates of where that picture was taken. Now, I don't know about you, but I find this a little bit concerning, especially when you consider the fact that you can go over here to somewhere like Google Maps, copy-paste that in, and find the exact location that was taken. So, what do you do if you don't happen to have the picture on your computer? Say you want to know what the metadata for someone else's picture looks like. So you can go over to this website, which is called Jeffrey's EXIF Viewer, which is just regix.info/exif.cgi. And you can go over here, and you can insert a URL for a specific picture. For instance, here's a picture that one of my friends posted, and you can see, again, the type of phone that was used, whether the phone was facing forward or not, all this information, and you can even go down and see whether or not that picture was photoshopped. So there's a lot of information stored on just one picture, and you can do that for any picture you find on the web with a URL or any file that you have on your computer. This picture here, which I mentioned that my friend took on her phone, we can now look at and see what kind of phone it was taken on. So, now that we know that all of this metadata is automatically stored on devices, how do we limit the amount of information that other people can find out using either websites like this or just looking on their own computers?
So if you don't want your location to be saved onto your pictures, as I showed you earlier, then you can go under Settings on your phone, go under Privacy, Location Services, and you can select to never have your camera app access your location, which is what I've done, which is why my pictures don't show GPS coordinates when you look under the metadata. And this is the same for both the phone and the iPad, so it's very simple to turn those off and not have to worry about people being able to see exactly where you took your pictures.